Hello everyone, myself Rupesh Bodkar, and our today's topic is linked list in Java. So before moving on to our topic, I would like to introduce myself. Hello, I'm Rupesh Bodkar. I did my graduation from Government College of Engineering, Surrey in 2020 with CGPA 6.17. So now let's move on to our topic, which is linked list in Java. So before so the today's agenda of our topic of our video is that what is linked list. Another one is features of the linked list and the difference between the arrays and the linked list. Okay, so and another one is methods available by the linked list. So the linked list is basically collection of the nodes, and each node contains two fields. Each node contains two fields. The first node contains the data, and another field contains the address of the next node. Okay, the linked list has three things. First one is head, node, and the tail. Okay, head is situated at the first of the linked list, and the node are between the nodes and between the head and the tail, and tail is situated at the end of the linked list. Okay, so there are three types of linked list. First one is singular linked list, another one is double linked list, and third one is the circular linked list. Okay, in single linked list, we can travel only in one direction, which means that the linked list linked list node has two fields. First one is data, and another one is address. That address is pointed to the another node's data. Okay, which means that the first one node address will in the address field, the address is stored of the another node. Okay, so we can travel solely in one direction, but in double linked list, the in double linked list, the single node contains three fields, which will first one is address to the previous node, and the middle one part is to store the data, and the last one part is to store the address of the next node, which means we can travel in the reverse direction also, and in the forward direction also. And in circular linked list, the tail in the previous two linked list, like double linked list and the single linked list, the tail node points to the tail node address pointers to the null. Okay, which means that end of the linked list. But in circular, the tail address is pointed to the head of the linked list, which means that it is in a circular direction. Okay, so we can travel in a circular direction. This is called as a circular linked list. Now the features of the linked list are it is asynchronous, which means that it is not thread safe, it means that it is faster. Okay, and it maintains the insertion order. Linked list can maintain the insertion order, and the linked list can also used to store the duplicate elements. Okay, so now the another one point is that why the linked list is one kind of data structure similar to the array list. Okay, linked list is an implementation of the queue and the double-ended queue. Okay, which means that we can also use linked list as a queue. Okay, queue and DQ. So why the why the linked list is introduced in Java? Okay, why we cannot use the array instead of the linked list? Why linked list is more powerful than the array list? So the in array list what happened is that we can store the element. It also maintains the insertion order. It is asynchronous, which means that both are the faster, okay, first in process. But what happened in the linked list is that if we want to store any element okay, if we want to store any element at some index, so suppose I want to store any element at the middle of that array list, okay. So what happened here is I can insert that element, but whatever the elements which are coming after that insertion, the elements are moved shifted to plus one index, okay. So it will take more elements. Similar for the deletion also. If I want to delete some element, suppose I want to delete some element from the start, okay, then every element which are coming after to that deleted element will be moved to the left side, which means -1 index, okay. So this takes so much long, but in the linked list we can directly delete the element as the if it has the node has two fields, which is one is data and another one is address to the next node. If I want to delete that next node, then I can just simply give that address to the next node. So in this way I can easily delete the linked list. So this is all about the linked list. Thank you.